I've never been arrested for anything. I was perfectly fine. I was just going to sleep the night.
And how come you're sleeping over here?
I'm homeless. No one. My stepfather kicked me out and abandoned me.
She was sleeping in a parking lot at night, not because she wanted to, because she had nowhere else to go. Her stepfather kicked her out. Her ex-husband is 3 hours away, and her boss, he has no idea. Tonight, a routine welfare check becomes one of the most heartbreaking arrests you will ever see on body cam.
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Hello.
Hello.
So this is what happened. So one of the customers saw her here. She was sleeping, and you saw her like for a couple minutes, and then he told me about it. We came here to check on her.
Okay.
He put his truck here, hung a couple times. She wasn't working up.
Okay.
And we just called her and stuff, and we wanted to make sure she's okay.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Sounds good.
I am okay.
Okay.
I am perfectly fine, officer.
Okay. What's going on? How come you're sleeping over here?
I'm homeless.
You're homeless? Okay. All right. Just so you know, I have a camera I was recording too.
I don't. I'm just playing a stupid game. So.
No, I said just so you know, I have a camera on that's recording.
I understand.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
A little bit. Yes.
A little bit. Okay. All right. How much is a little bit?
I had 2 shots of Fireball.
How long ago was that?
Probably 2 hours.
2 hours? Just the 2 shots?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
There's really nothing wrong with me. I am perfectly fine. I can provide my license, my insurance, my registration, all of that.
Okay, you can take that stuff out now.
Okay, I gotta turn the light on to see it.
What?
I just want to ask him something. When you came up here, was your car on?
Yeah.
It was on? Okay.
Yeah.
This is my current insurance. And give me a second, I'll get the registration. That's my new registration. And I'll get my license. Let me just find my purse. And that's my license.
You don't live on anymore?
That's my stepfather's house, and he kicked me out.
How long ago was that?
March of 2025.
All right. Where have you been staying since then?
In my car.
In your car? Okay.
Yes.
Where were you before this?
Before that,
No. Before you parked here tonight, where were you?
Oh, I was at Wawa in Middletown, not Leonardo, the one in Middletown.
Yeah, on 35, yeah.
But the place I normally stay there is the abandoned lot, and it's full of snow, and my 4-wheel drive didn't work, so I couldn't stay there.
Okay.
So I came here just because the parking lot is clear.
Were you anywhere before Wawa?
I was here earlier this morning. I had breakfast, and I just kind of been hanging around Middletown and Leonardo all day.
Okay. Where'd you have the shots at? That's what I'm concerned about.
I actually had them in my car.
In your car? Okay. You know you can't be doing that, right?
No, I understand, but I was not driving.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're not driving or not. Yeah, you can't have an open container in a car. All right, so what we're going to have you do, since you admitted to having the 2 shots, I'm just going to have you come step out real quick. I'm going to run you through a couple of field sobriety tests to make sure you're okay to drive.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah, go ahead, put your shoes on. If you have a jacket, another jacket if you want to put on.
Yeah, I'll put my jacket on too. All right.
Anybody else coming here can just relax.
Oh.
Step on it.
Oh.
Anybody else coming
here? Just relax. Heavy 450.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. All right, let me grab my jacket.
All right, then just we're going to step over on the other side of your car where that light is.
On the other side?
Yep, passenger side, right where see where the light's shining down.
Gotcha.
All right, and then you just face me.
Yes.
Do you have any issues with your eyes?
No.
No?
I do not. Well, without my glasses, I do, but with my glasses, I'm okay.
With your glasses on, what are the issues with your eyes? Can you see far? Can you see my finger right here?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. So this first test, I'm just going to check your eyes real quick. What I need you to do is just stand with your feet together.
Okay.
And hands at your sides. I know it's cold, but if you could just do it.
It's okay.
All right. So can you see the tip of my pen here?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What I need you to do is just keep your head still and just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Can you just move your hair out of the way real quick?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. All right. That should be good. All right. Just follow the pen. Don't move your head.
I can see it perfectly clearly.
Okay, just keep following it.
Yes.
All right. This next test I'm gonna have you do, we're gonna use this this line right here.
Okay.
You can step over here. So what I need you to do is place your left foot on the line, and place your right foot in front of your left. All right, and keep your arms down at your sides. Do you have any medical issues that would?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So yeah, stay in that position, touching heel to toe. Just have your heel touching your toe, and your arms at your sides, and just stay in that position until I tell you to do anything else. Okay.
Okay.
So from that position, when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 steps down this line. When you get to the 9th step, you're going to
heel to toe.
yep, heel to toe with your arms down at your sides.
Okay.
So don't start yet. Don't start yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So when you get to the 9th step, you're going to turn around with a series of small steps and take 9 steps back right down the line. I'm going to show you how it's
Backwards,
done. No. You're going to turn around and walk back that way. Don't
Yes,
start.
sir.
Don't start yet. All right.
Yes, sir.
So it looks like this. Right? Left foot on the line, right foot in front of it. Okay.
Okay.
Just watch me. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. When you get to I'm only doing 3, but you're going to do 9. When you get to the 9th, you're going to leave your front foot planted. You're going to take a series of small steps to turn around, and then 9 steps back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can begin.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pivot.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. You could turn back around.
Okay.
All right, and just face me again.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna. This next test, you're gonna stand with your feet together, your arms at your sides.
Okay.
All right. When I tell you to, you're gonna lift.
My hands are cold.
Yeah, I understand. It's cold out here. So, like I said, hands at your sides,
Yes,
feet
sir.
together. When I tell you to, you're gonna lift either leg of your choice, left or right. You're gonna lift it up 6 inches with your toe pointed forward, just like that. You're gonna keep your leg straight. You're gonna look down at your toe, and you're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
All right. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And there's no medical problems with your leg.
Do I bend the knee or just...
No, you're going to keep your leg straight, just like that. Your
Okay.
foot's going to be 6 inches off the ground, and you're going to look down at your foot and count, okay? Just
Okay.
when I tell you to begin, don't start yet.
Yes, sir.
All right. You can begin whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry.
Just keep your foot pointed straight out. And if you stop counting, just lift it up and just keep counting where you left off.
10. I'm going to start with the other foot.
Okay. You want to attempt it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. When you're ready, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's the longest I can go. Oh.
You're done? No, don't switch feet now.
No?
Yeah. You're done?
No, I'll do it again.
Okay. Well, no, I can't have you do it again. So, based off what the test, it does seem like you're under the influence. Okay, so you can't be in your car. You can't be driving. All right. So what I need to do is just.
I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
Yeah, but you were driving though. So just put your hands behind your back. All right.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but you had to drive here to park there.
I drove here hours ago. I've been here for hours.
Hours.
Okay.
In the parking lot, Yankee
Do you have someone who could pick you up from the police
No,
station?
I have no one. My stepfather picked me out and abandoned me, and my ex-husband is 3 hours away in upstate New York. I don't.
10-4, you need a hook for that car?
You don't know anyone around here?
Homeless. I don't have.
No, I
anybody.
understand that. Do you have any friends around here? Anything?
No, I don't. My boss does not know I'm homeless. I show up to work every day, and
Where's your boss live?
Fort Monmouth, I believe it is, but I'm off today and tomorrow, and he does not know I'm homeless, and I still show up for work every day.
He lives in Port Monmouth?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know his address.
Where do you work? Oh.
I work at Staples in Middletown. I'm the assistant store manager there.
Okay. I just have to check to make sure you don't have anything on you, alright? I'm gonna pat you down with the back of my hand.
Yes.
Just so you're aware.
I understand. Yes.
It looks like there's some stuff in that hoodie pocket there.
What do you have in here?
I don't know.
Nothing that's gonna poke me or anything, right?
I don't think I have anything
There's
in my
nothing in
hoodie
there.
pocket. What's gonna happen to me tonight?
So you're gonna come down to the police station.
Okay.
We're gonna fill out some paperwork, and then you just need to have someone come pick you up from there because we can't.
I don't have anybody who can pick me up.
Well, you said your boss works or lives in Port Monmouth, right? Can he pick you up?
No.
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 Yeah, we'll figure this out inside, all right?
Can I get my purse at least?
We'll get everything out of the car. What do you need? Your purse and what else?
I
Just
just
see that car back
I
there.
need my
Just
purse and my phone.
Oh, this is my car.
My
Okay.
purse and my phone.
Okay, all right.
And my keys are on the front seat.
Okay, all right. Just be careful
All right.
getting in.
Please lock it because
we'll lock it.
everything I own is in there.
Your keys are in there. You said.
Okay. Yes.
All right. Just
They're on the front seat.
just be careful getting in here. Sit
Okay.
straight
Okay.
back.
Okay. Am I being arrested?
Yeah, you're under arrest for
Oh, my
DUI.
goodness.
All right.
Oh.
Have you ever been arrested for DUI before?
No, I've never been arrested for anything.
Okay.
I've never been arrested for anything.
All right.
I was perfectly fine. I was just going to sleep the night off.
Yeah, we'll explain everything to you. All right.
Okay.
All right. All right. No problem. Yeah. Yeah. So the vehicle does get towed with a DUI. You can't.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Unfortunately, it has to get towed. It's called John's Law. It's that way.
I can't afford that. I don't get paid until
I'll bring the
Thursday.
tow slip in after.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I have to
Anything
be
else?
at work Thursday
I'm good.
morning. I don't get paid until Thursday. Oh my god. I'm not wasted. I swear I'm not. Oh. If you give me a breathalyzer, I know I'll pass it.
Well, we're gonna do that.
Okay.
31396 County. No.
31396.
I'll get my car back tomorrow.
I'll be transporting adult female 41 from this location to headquarters starting 28730.7.
Alright.
I'll explain everything to you once we get to the police station. We'll do the breathalyzer and all that stuff.
Okay. My vehicle has everything I own in it.
Okay, yeah, it'll all be in there when you get out.
I know. I can't afford to get it out of in-house. But just before that, I'd be at home drinking instead.
Yeah. .396 the OSC, can you open door 7?
Sure, sign that's 332.
I just gotta bring her. Hold on one second.
She seemed fine.
Yeah, she's. step out. Just come around the back of the car. Just be careful, because
Okay.
it might be a little slippery.
I'm short, so it's
It's okay. It's okay. Take your time.
All right, move around the back.
Yep, right on the back. And then there'll be an open door right over here.
Okay.
Just go through that door. And then we have a female officer here who's just going to search you real quick. Just make sure you don't have anything else on you.
No problem.
And then we'll do the paperwork. Oh, right through this door.
This way?
Yep, right through here.
Okay.
And then just follow this officer's instructions.
You can go right there. You just face that wall and we get those cuffs on.
Okay.
She wasn't running from the law. She wasn't hiding. She was just trying to survive the night. And yeah, the officer had a job to do, but this one hits different because this isn't a criminal. This is someone life just got too heavy for. Drop a comment and tell me, do you think she should have been arrested, or was there another way to handle this?